Today I'm going to be introducing you to my custom motorcycle from Autolog Design, which is the BWG 200, which you've been seeing a lot of now. Also going to be doing that killer giveaway, so stick around for that. Going to be talking about the details, what we've done. It's been on for 2 years, can you believe that? So I want you to know all about it, and that's what this video is going to be all about. Oh man. Music's playing in my ears already. Shit, I love this thing. Welcome back to Bike with Girl. When we put this video out yesterday, some of you called this a bird. Some called it an MV Agusta, some called it a Ducati. I understand about the color and the, you making up that association, but it's actually a simple KTM 200 Duke. I told Mukul, dude, I want a bike that represents me, that looks like it's full of color, because I love color, is loud and is angry. So long lost _warrior has said, Bike with Girl, can you please upload a video bit of the exhaust system? Sounds crazy already. So I'm gonna do this, taking some requests from our last video. Loud, just like me. Clearly, Autolog Design seems to have aced that thought that I had going on. But yeah, what did they have going on in their heads when they thought of me? I really want to know from Mukul, the man behind this whole operation.
So, you like it?
I love it. I love it. You aced everything. The sound, the color, the fact that this is supposed to be a really angry looking machine. It's all done.
Angry तो पता नहीं.
Angry तो है भाई.
Aggressive तो है. हाँ. But yeah, I'm glad you liked it.
No, but what did you have in mind? Yeah, like I know I came with a very vague brief to you.
So I think I remember you clearly loving Chappie.
I did.
So we tried to keep some sort of elements similar. So people who remember Chappie would probably relate to the tank being boxy and similar.
Yeah.
But when you and me started talking, if you would Google Duke Scrambler, there were like a bunch, like just 2 or 3 options out there.
Yeah.
Coming to now, when you Google, there are a bunch of them, lots of them.
Yeah.
So we needed to have something which is quite different from what's already been done.
And I remember I came to you and told you I wanted to do that rat bike.
Yeah, with
Because
the buffed
the
tank with the aluminium finish.
very ratty looking thing. And you were like, but it's already been done, yaar.
Yeah,
I want to give you a brand new thing.
And then you sent me a picture of a bike that looked like that where you were next to it.
Yes,
remember?
yes.
So
I
that's when
remember
we
that.
said this is not what we have to do.
This is not it.
So yeah, the color is totally you.
Yeah, the full Rosso.
You wanted this, so
the Rosso Corsa.
yes. So you went figured out the exact shade, so it is exactly the Ferrari
that I wanted. मेरी छोटी Ferrari है ये 200 cc की Ferrari.
Yes, 200 cc की, but yeah, it's as exquisite and unique as a Ferrari.
Oh hells yeah. But tell me something. Now I see. I can now tell. Okay, like I'll sit and show you guys.
Yeah.
This has gotten taller.
Yeah, so your seat position has changed.
Right.
Nothing else has gotten taller. Your seat.
Explain exactly how this has happened.
So originally the Duke had a split seat. So you have two separate seats.
Right.
So now we've eliminated that, got a single seat. So the frame at the bottom is single. So
Okay.
pehle there were two separate parts.
Okay.
So now that you've got one flow going from here, so from where the original seat sat
Yeah.
here, it's a little higher. So which is why you feel like it has become tall.
In fact, I think like I wrote the 250 Adventure a few days ago because it was launched, and I felt like this is probably around the same height as that.
Yeah, it probably is.
It probably is.
Yeah.
And because one good thing about what this will do for my riding is it will get me used to
Used to
having
that, yeah.
a light bike which is slightly taller from whatever I've
Yeah.
ridden, and that will help me get better
Yeah,
with the
going
taller
forward,
bikes.
dirt is the scene where you want to, get more experience and stuff.
yeah,
so it'll be a good tool to start out and get more experience.
But you didn't
on.
think that this was going to happen, right? Like this is the seat. I mean, because you had to chop off the rear, right?
Yeah, so it's a very small subframe change because originally the Duke has the number plate bracket which is with the frame.
Yeah.
So we didn't want that chunk coming down.
Yeah.
So that's the only bit that we've cut. In terms of angle,
Right.
it is still the original Duke frame angle.
Okay.
So it's only the last bit which the U has been welded up
Yeah.
and cleaned so that we are able to achieve this clean look.
Man, this is one of the my favorite parts of the bike is the tail. I think
Yeah,
it's
I love it too.
Such a clean looking thing on a Duke. I have
you
never
won't
seen something.
imagine, yeah.
Exactly. Okay, you said now that a lot of parts on this bike are 3D printed.
I would say 80% of it was 3D printed.
Holy hell,
Yeah.
80%.
So like I said, we wanted to do something different and that's one of the most different things about this build.
Yeah.
Here's an example. This is what your tank originally looked like.
Okay.
So it's multiple pieces of 3D printed plastic pasted together
Okay.
and then we make a mold on top of that.
Okay.
So what that does is it eliminates the manual process. So in terms of fit, it's based on a 3D scan of the Duke.
Oh.
So a 3D scan is how a company works on their design. Like
Yeah.
the manufacturer, that's how they work.
Okay.
So in terms of accuracy, you're going to get 100% accuracy.
100%, of course, man.
It's going to fit exactly where your stock bolt fits. So you don't have any to and fro.
It's crazy because just yesterday I did this. You see this? We 3D printed this, and it took 45 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
45 minutes for that tiny piece.
So this tank probably took a week of printing. That poor guy was just printing. Yes.
So we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So this was originally printed, then made in plastic.
Okay.
This was printed and then made in fiber. This was printed and then made in fiber. This was printed and then made in fiber.
So I almost have, like, I can say that this is a 3D printed bike.
This is a completely 3D printed piece.
damn good, man.
This has not even been remade in plastic or fiber. It's actually 3D printed.
Crazy, yeah.
Speaking of special things that we've done on the bike, one such special thing is the carbon fiber speedo bracket that we've got.
Yeah, man.
So that's all carbon fiber. It's not like a wrap or anything. It's
Yeah,
real CF. Weighs like 40 grams. So
I
is this?
have carbon fiber on my motorcycle.
Yes, you do. Even here, you've got radiator shrouds which are CF. So that adds to the whole carbon element which we've tried to carry forward here as well.
Okay.
Really special mirrors which are from Moto Gadget. What's special about them is that they are a single monoblock aluminium piece that is buffed to a mirror finish. So there's no bezel, you don't see any lines, they're unbreakable. So basically the best mirrors out there.
And basically they are not glass.
Yeah, they're not glass.
They're not glass.
There's aluminium.
Aluminium,
Not
sorry.
even stainless steel. Aluminium buffed to that with
God.
a diamond. So yeah, super special.
Super
mirrors.
special.
And of course the showstopper which everyone is probably going to be talking about. So these wheel covers were inspired from Rock Baggeros's build where he did one with an Acropovic cover which was carbon fiber. We didn't do it in carbon fiber, we did it in plastic. But I think it turned out great and the burnout that she did made it look amazing.
And I think Rock is going to be proud also. Rock,
Yes.
I hope you're liking our little, this, I think, inspiration. We've taken inspiration.
Definitely,
We
yes.
loved what you did. So yeah, that's pretty much, I think, I want to get some lunch.
Let's go.
Let's go now.
Yeah.
Let's go. We'll come back
You
now.
hop onto this
Huh.
and I'll hop onto mine.
Come. Let's go.
go.
Mukul, since I haven't worn gear right now because we've literally come down like a few meters from your shop, I think this needs a heat shield here.
Sure.
Because
I'll work on. A shield might look a little tacky because it's a small pipe that's coming out, but maybe we can do at least a heat wrap.
yeah, that
So that
would
your legs
actually look
don't-
really cool on this
Yeah,
Scrambler. No?
sure.
This I'm not a big fan of.
This is kind of last minute.
Yeah.
The initial plan was to relocate this behind this, but since we went with the round headlamp, this is still exposed. But
Okay.
we'll come up with a clad for it. So small upgrades we can always do. That's
In
what-
fact, I don't have my phone on me, but so when we put this video out yesterday, one person said to me, "I do not like this."
So
But
Yeah.
and I remember I told you
Yeah,
the same
yeah,
thing. I
yeah,
was
yeah.
like, I just want it just to be the plain headlamp.
Yeah.
But I think because that's the best part about customizing, right? You can
yeah,
just
you can keep swapping it around. We can try different looks. Like the fender that I told you.
Yeah.
We could always do the high fender and get more of a scrambler look.
yeah.
We can clean this front off if this doesn't work.
Yeah.
Or we could try different versions of it.
Right.
So there's no end to what we could do.
And I think it's almost like we change our clothes because we want to look different.
Yep. That's what body kits are supposed
That's
to
what
be.
body kits are supposed to do,
Yeah.
right? So yeah, man. I think apart from that, for now, for the next few months at least, I will be very happy. Then you can do something else.
Sure, version 2.
Version 2. But let's see what response we get on this bike. I mean, the response has been phenomenal with whatever when
Yeah,
we put the
yeah,
content out.
yeah.
And I think if that happens, then you can come out with like a bike with girl kit. Yeah.
That was the plan.
That
That
was
was the plan.
Guys, will you buy? Please buy. यार. Buy कर लो यार. मेरे लिए buy कर लो. And so cool. So Sumit Bukhare says, "Damn, this bike is so dope. Had seen your post on Instagram that you were at Autolog Design long back and was excited about the custom build you all were planning. The wait was worth it. We'll love to know more about the bike. That's why we made this video, man." Thanks, Sumit. Come on, you read something now.
Lots of awesome, lot of
Awesome.
great, lots of hot. What a perfect scrambler.
Oh, okay. So Vishal Tiwari Vishu Brahman says, इस बाइक को निकालने पे लोग मुड़ के देखेंगे. Of course मुड़ के देखेंगे.
वैसे ही देखते हैं अब
वैसे
और
ही
देखेंगे.
Listen, अभी please मुझे दे दो. The bike is now. He's like, no, I was supposed to ride this back to Bombay tomorrow, this evening actually. And now he's like, no, sorry, yaar, I want to do some more stuff. It's never ends with this guy. He never wants me to take my bike back home.
Small details. It's all about the details.
And now, guys, for the part that you've actually been waiting for all along, the giveaway. So because you guys have shown us so much love on this build, man, we both didn't think that this would get so much love.
Yep.
And the support through this video.
Thank
Like in one day, it's not even been 24 hours, this video has gone up and it has crossed 15,000 views on YouTube and is going at like some crazy views on Instagram. So firstly, thank you. And that's why we have decided to do a kick-ass giveaway for the new year. We're going to open 2021 with 2 spanking new kits from Autolog Design.
2 spanking new kits for you.
Yeah, for you, not for us.
So what you have to do is let us know what motorcycle you own and also why she deserves a makeover this year.
And of course, you've got to subscribe to Autolog Design and to Bike with Girl on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. It's really very basic and simple. And maybe you can also tell your friends about this contest. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Do take part in the contest because you never know, man, your bike may end up looking like this kick-ass 200 that I once owned once upon a time. Don't forget to subscribe to us, like our content, tell your friends about it, comment, tell us what you did like or didn't like about the video. And yeah, we need to brap now, so see ya!